So I'm going to jump on to the next topic is clash detection. So what I've done is in clash detection, again, I know I apologize, I'm going through this pretty quickly. There's 4 topics that I've gone through. If you are looking for training on Navisworks, please look at our training material on our website or reach out to your sales representative. So if I go to Clash Detective Service, now just to show you a little example, what this actually does is I can actually create a set, okay, a typical, what I'm looking for, let's say if it's structure versus pipe, okay, and there's 71 clashes, okay. Now what I can do is I can actually choose a selection. Either I can choose to select different models, or I can choose to select the set. So I can just say, grab the structural model and the pipe system, okay? The pipe systems, that's a selection set or a search set, whatever it may be. When I run that, I can choose, okay, the settings, is it a hard clash, okay? I can set a tolerance, okay, at any given point. And once I come into my results, I can see this information. Now, right now, I actually have highlight all clashes. So I'm just going to move this over to my other screen here. Now, if I zoom out here, you'll actually see the areas that I have to effectively look at. I'm leveraging the model, all the models on this project, the architect, the engineer, let's say the fire protection tradesperson, okay? As all these models are being updated on, again, a daily or weekly or whatever it is, to either BIM 360, okay, or FTP site, I'm able to effectively manage my clashes. Have they been looked at? Okay, within the Clash Detective service, within Navisworks, I have a status here. Has this clash been reviewed? Has it been approved? Has it been resolved? Once I've gone through that, so let's say it's been approved, I always have a tally of what is going on for that one set. So for that structural versus pipe, I always know that, okay, we have approved only 1 clash, okay, but we have 46 new and 24 active. So really, in my mind, I really haven't done that great of a job. I need to move on. I need to figure out how to actually effectively get these statuses of these clashes worked out. Okay, this is a collaboration process. Okay, once you have all these models done to the selection sets, the appearance profiler, and going through the clash detection service with everyone on the call or a webinar or in a given room, either if it's a trailer or if it's at a company's firm, conference room, I'm able to effectively, communicate with everybody either as a color scheme or those clashes in general. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and hand this back over to Brittany. I'm going to go over to we're actually going to switch over to the PowerPoint. Okay, so I can go through a couple more slides here. So I've talked about Navisworks and the selection sets, the quantification tool, the appearance profiler, and the clash detection service, the clash detective ability. We here at Microdesk do utilize Navisworks. As you'll see on the screen, we actually utilize our construction services. We have it broken out into 4 different groups here, and this is actually changing daily. We're adding more services to this. But I picked out a couple good ones here. So scan to BIM. A lot of people ask is, we provide creating models from laser scan data. Okay, and that can be used for clash detection or even in design. Okay. Utilizing the scan to BIM service, this also assures the as-built or existing conditions of a model. Okay, I'm going to go over to MEP coordination. With this service, Microdesk actually leads that BIM construction coordination meetings. Okay, effectively always having one contact. We also do the modeling of the MEP, or we can do the modeling for the MEP, arch, structural in Revit for the clash detection use. Okay. I'm going to move over to the facilities management models for CM or GC to provide level 400 to an owner, or he needs to provide it as an as-built. Okay, these services are available. And then moving over to the 4D modeling, incorporating schedules such as P6, Microsoft Project into Navisworks. Again, that wasn't actually, the schedule portion was not in my 4 basic topics here, but there is a timeliner in Navisworks. I'm able to take P6 schedules and incorporate them into Navisworks. Again, I'm effectively communicating with my group. I'm taking that data, I'm incorporating it into the Navisworks file. Okay. More importantly, all those selection sets are able to be brought in as activities. Okay. Those activities can be assigned out. Let's say all the concrete for level 1 needs to be installed in this given day. It's either from P6 or Microsoft, or I create it myself in Navisworks. Okay. I can assign a selection set or a given element to those elements, or to that schedule within Navisworks. Okay. So, in regards to Navisworks, I want to go over a couple examples in regards to the software itself. There's 3 different versions. Navisworks comes with Navisworks Freedom, which is entirely free. Navisworks also has a Navisworks Simulate. Okay. And then there is Navisworks Manage. Okay. The difference is Navisworks Freedom is free. Navisworks Simulate is going to have everything regarding the timeliner except clash detection. Okay. And then going into Navisworks Manage 2016, you will have all the above, everything that you can have in Navisworks. Again, Navisworks can utilize a lot of different formats, such as, let me just pull up a list here, and I'll read off of just a couple of them that it can read. It can read all Autodesk recap files for the folks that are utilizing laser scan data. It reads Rhino files, that's a 3DM file, SketchUp, AutoCAD, here's a couple other, DXF, DWG, FARO files. There's a lot of different file types that Navisworks utilizes. We have seen a shift with Navisworks. Navisworks was always, okay, I'm a construction manager, I need to utilize this. What we have seen is even just down to multidisciplinary firms. Okay, let's say if you have an architecture and an engineering group all together, hey, they're buying this because they want to minimize risk on their project. They're effectively communicating with their team and bringing those models together. Again, you can do this ability within Navisworks or within Revit using their interference check, but again, it's very, very basic. It's nothing too overwhelming. But again, Navisworks is taking all that data, okay, and merging them together.